Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Victory Cross Country 8-Ball. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 Victory Cross Country 8-Ball with 12,616 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an LED headlight, engine guard, an aftermarket front wheel, Victory Performance mufflers, an accessory power outlet, and we have installed new front and rear tires. Powered by a 106 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Cross Country puts 97 horsepower and 112 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.8-gallon fuel capacity, the Cross Country has a 200 to 230 mile range. It has a 26.3-inch seat height and a 746-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output of 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the exhaust and a paint chip on the rear fender. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.